Now, the first category of social media in academia are what we call research profiles. These are profiles that provide a list of your publications, sometimes with a short bio, and they're not strictly speaking social media, and they don't allow for actual engagement with others, but they do help you to build your online identity. So of those listed, I would suggest the first three are essential. Your Scopus and Web of Science ID are a bit less important as they have less public visibility, but if you do have some time to spare, I suggest you take a look at them and ensure that they are complete and error-free. I will discuss your staff profile and why you really need to invest an hour or so to make sure that it is comprehensive and up-to-date in the next slide. In addition, I would strongly encourage you to open a Google Scholar profile and create an ORCID profile. The first, the Google Scholar profile, basically gathers all of your publications and provides a list with the number of times they are cited. And as we've discussed in earlier sessions, Google Scholar includes books and chapters and reports and even non-traditional publications such as software or databases. So it presents a really complete picture of your research output. ORCID does something similar but without citations. The advantage of ORCID is that it provides you with a unique number, and this is especially important if you have a common name, as people might be confusing you with your namesakes. Moreover, many journals and universities are now requiring you to have an ORCID, and both profiles are really very easy to set up, take little time, and the process is very intuitive. For most academics, a Google Scholar profile will take maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and an ORCID profile not much more than that. Now, can I please urge you to make your staff profile your number one priority as soon as possible after watching this presentation. Making sure your university staff profile is complete and up to date is essential. These profiles are the public image of the university. It takes less than an hour to fully populate your profile, and only maybe 2 to 3 hours to create a stunning one. So first, enable the link to the Middlesex repository so that your publications show up automatically. Second, consider adding some visual spice. Include not just your essential staff picture, but also some other pictures or a video. Third, be creative. Just be creative with the sections. Most universities will have fixed sections, but there's usually considerable flexibility in what you can put in there. So just include whatever makes your profile stand out. Fourth, make sure that you include links to your other profiles. This means that you can keep your staff profile relatively stable and add new information on other social media accounts that are a bit more flexible in terms of their content and editing. And then finally, make your bio a bit more attractive than a boring list of qualifications and job titles. If people are really interested where you completed your degrees, they can go to LinkedIn. Your bio is an excellent signal, an excellent place to signal your research interest, but weaved into an attractive narrative, one that is accessible to academics and non-academics alike, indicating, for instance, you're available for PhD, supervision, express any desires for collaboration with industry or government, or anything else you'd like visitors to know about.